Hello students, welcome to SG classes. How are you all? तो स्टूडेंट्स आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं अपने 10th क्लास का सैम्पल पेपर सॉल्यूशन 2022-23 मैथ्स। तो स्टूडेंट्स आज हम सिर्फ उन्हीं चैप्टर्स के क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे जो चैप्टर नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 14 और 15 चैप्टर में से आए हुए हैं। तो स्टूडेंट स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आपने मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने फ्रेंड्स को शेयर करें ताकि वो भी इस वीडियो का फ़ायदा ले सकें। तो चलिए स्टूडेंट्स स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारा सेक्शन ए मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस। ईच क्वेश्चन कैरी 1 मार्क। So students, first question, let a and b be two positive integers such that a is equal to p cube, a is equal to p cube q4 and b is equal to p square q cube, where p and q are prime numbers. If HCF of a and b, so HCF of A and B is given, that is P raised to power M and Q raised to power N, and LCM of A and B is given, which is P raised to power R into Q raised to power S. Then you have to find M plus N into R plus S. So this we have to find. So first of all students, find the HCF of A and B. We have to find the HCF of A and B. So A is equal to P raised to power 3 Q raised to power 4 and B is equal to P raised to power 2 Q raised to power 3. So what is HCF of A and B? So HCF, we know in HCF we have to take the lower power of the common factor. So P square is common out of P cube and P square, and here Q cube is common out of Q4 and Q3. So HCF of A and B is P square Q3. Similarly, if we want to take LCM, then LCM of A and B is P cube into Q4. We always take the larger power in LCM. So HCF is P square Q3 and LCM is P3 Q4. So now if we compare this term and this term, so your M comes out to be 2 and N comes out to be 3. Similarly, if you compare this term and this term, so your R value is 3 and S value is 4. Now you have to find M plus N into R plus S. So M is 2, N is 3, R value is 3, S value is 4. So 2 plus 3, 5 into 4 plus 3, 7. So 7 into 5 is 35. So option C is the correct option of this question. I hope first question is clear to everyone. Now students, second question, let P be a prime number. The quadratic equation having its roots as a factor of P is. So what we have to do, we have to put x equal to P and check the quadratic equation, is it satisfied or not. So in first option, if I put x is equal to P, so let us check in A option. If I put x equal to P, so it becomes P square minus P into P plus P is equal to 0. So it is P square minus P square plus P is equal to 0. So this is cancel out. So RP is equal to 0. So left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So option A is wrong. Now we have to check option B. In B option, put x equal to P. So it becomes P square minus P plus 1 into p plus p is equal to 0. Now multiply p square. Now it is p into p square, and 1 into p, that is p with negative sign, plus p is equal to 0. Now this is cancel out with this p square and p is cancel out with this p. So 0 is equal to 0. So both the sides are equal. So yes, this is the correct option. So option B is the correct answer of this question. Now students, question number 3. If alpha and beta are the zeros of a polynomial, fx is equal to px square minus 2x plus 3p, and alpha plus beta is equal to alpha beta, means sum of roots is equal to product of roots. Sum of roots is equal to product of roots. Then p is, it means you have to find the value of p here. So students, this is the equation given to us, that is px square minus 2x plus 3p. So this is the equation. So students, how we find the sum of roots? We know very well, sum of roots is always equal to minus coefficient of x over coefficient of x square, means minus b by a, and product of roots students, that is c by a constant term over coefficient of x square. So minus b upon a. So what is sum of roots students? b is minus 2 here. So minus 2 over a is p. A is p. Now similarly c is what? C is 3p and a is p. So this is the sum of root. This is the sum of root and this is the product of root. So sum of root is 2 over p, because minus minus is plus, and product of root is 3 only, because this p is cancelled out with this p. Now students, this is given to us, that is sum of roots is equal to product of roots. So sum of root is 2 over p and product of roots are 3. So p, 2 by p is equal to 3. So just cross multiply. So value of p is 2 by 3. So check the option. Option B is the correct option of this question. I hope up to here you have no doubt, right? Now students, question number 4. If the system of equations 3x plus y is equal to 1, equation is 3x plus y is equal to 1, and 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y minus 1 into y is equal to 2k plus 1 is inconsistent. Students, the system of equations which have no solution, that are inconsistent. So we know the condition that if equations are inconsistent, then a1 over a2 is equal to b1 over b2, but not equal to c1 over c2. So now we have to find the value of k. So what is a1? A1 is 3. What is a2? A2 is 2k minus 1 is equal to, what is b1? b1 is 1. What is b2? That is k minus 1 is not equal to c1 over c2, that is 1 over 2k plus 1. So now take these two equations and find the value of k. So just cross multiply students, just cross multiply. So 3 into k minus 1 is equal to 2k minus 1. So when you multiply, this become 3k minus 3 is equal to 2k minus 1. So take 2k on the left side and this 3 on the right side. So it is 3k minus 2k is equal to 3 minus 1. So this becomes k is equal to 2. So which option is correct? Option D is the correct option. Option D is the correct option. Now next question, number 7. If x into tan 60 into cos 60 is equal to sin 60 into cot 60, then x is equal to. we have to find the value of x here. Friends, we know tan 60 is root 3. Cos 60, students, this is 1 by 2. Sin 60, it is root 3 by 2. And cot 60, it is 1 by root 3. Cot 60 is 1 by root 3. So just solve this equation. So these two are cancel out, root 3 with root 3. This 2 is cancel out with this 2. So x root 3 is equal to 1. So what is x? It is 1 by root 3. Now 1 by root 3 is what? Check the options. Cos 30. We know that, student, cos 30 is equal to root by 2. Not the option, right? Tan 30. Tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So our x is 1 by root 3. It means the correct option. Sin 30, students, sin 30 is 1 by 2. So our answer is 1 by root 3. So this option is also wrong. Cot 30 is root 3, students. So this is also wrong. So option B is the correct option of this question. Very simple and important questions. Eighth question. Eighth question is, if sin theta plus cos theta is equal to root 2, then what is the value of tan theta plus cot theta? We have to find the value of this, right? So first of all, change this tan and cot in terms of sin and cos. So we can write tan theta as sin theta over cos theta, plus what is the value of cot theta? It is cos theta over sin theta, right? Now take the LCM. When you take the LCM, it is sin theta cos theta, right? Now cross multiply, it becomes sin square theta plus cos square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is always equal to 1. So over sin theta into cos theta, right? So 1 over sin theta cos theta. Now what we have to do? Give it number 1, student. First of all, this is given to us. Take the square of this now. Here both side. When you square both side, it becomes sin theta plus cos theta whole square. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equal to, right? Now when you solve this square, this is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 2, right? Now sin square plus cos square is 1. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 2. So what is the value of 2 sin theta cos theta? Is 2 minus 1. So 2 sin theta cos theta equal to 1. So what is the value of sin theta cos theta? That is 1 by 2. So now value of sin theta cos theta is 1 by 2. So put in 1. The value of sin theta cos theta, put here, put in 1. When you put this value, the equation number 1, so your value becomes 1 over sin theta cos theta is 1 by 2. So this 2 comes in the numerator, it becomes 2 by 1. So 2 is the correct option. So option B is the correct answer of 8th question. The correct option. Okay. Now next question, students. If the difference between a very important question. So if the difference between mode and median of the data is 24, so mode and median, mode minus is 24, then the difference between median and is what? You have to find the difference between So first of all, see, mod minus equal to 24, this is given to us. Now students, we know one property, that your mod is always equal to 3 median minus 2 mean, this thing. So mod is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Find the value of mod from this equation. So mod is equal to 24 plus median. From here we get, take this the right hand side, 4 plus, now put this value here. So it becomes 24 plus median is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. 3 median minus 2 mean. Now take this median, the left, the right side. So 24 is equal to 3 median minus 1 median, and this 2 mean as it is. So this becomes 24 is equal to 2 median minus 2. Now take this 2 common from the right side, becomes median minus. Now divide with this 2. So you get 24 by 2 is equal to median minus mean. So it cuts on 12. So median minus mean is equal to, so we have to find, so answer is 12. So which option is correct? Yes, very good, option, the correct option. This, I hope clear to you everyone, right? This is very important question. Here now next question, for the following distribution class and frequency is given to you, the sum of lower limits of median and model classes. So first of all, we about the median class and the model class. So first of all, this class intervals, that is 0 to 5, then 5 to 10, 10 to 15, and 20. So what is the frequency? What is the frequency? The frequency 10, 15, then 12, last. So what we have to do, we have to find first of all cumulative frequency. We have to find frequency. First number as it is. Now add 10, becomes 25. Now add 12, it becomes 7. Now add 20, becomes 7. Then you add this 9, it becomes 66. You can also check by adding these numbers. So 5 plus 2, 7, 7 and 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also same. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to check for the median class n by 2. N by 2, n is what, 66. So 66 by 2, that is 33. So which number is near the 33 in cumulative frequency? That is 37. So which is our median class? That is 10 to 15. Our median class is, and which is the model class? The model class, check the frequency. Frequency is the biggest number. So model class is 15 to. So what we have to find? We have to find the sum of lower limit. Lower limit means like this 10 and this 15. We have to find the sum of lower limit of median class and model class. So just we have to do the sum of lower class of lower limit, that is 10 plus 15. So what is the answer? 5. So again B option is correct option. This here. Next question. Two dice are rolled simultaneously. What is the probability that 6 will come up at least once? So two dice, when we throw two dice, so total number of cases are 36. Total number are right. So what is the probability that 6 will come up at least once? At least means one time it should come, and it should come also two times. So at least one time तो आना ही चाहिए, right? So what are the cases? Let us write. Total number of cases are 36. Let us write 36. First of all, 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 5, 1. Similarly, 1, 2 2, 2 6, 3 1, 3 2, so on, 3 6, then 4 1, 4 2, so on, 4 6, then 5 1, 5 2, up to so on, 5 6, then 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, and 6 6. So how many cases in which 6 is coming up one time and two times? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The total favorable cases are 11 and total cases are 36. So what is the probability? Probability is 11 by. So which option is correct? Option the correct option. Option the correct option. Right? So next question, students. If 5 tan if 5 tan beta is equal to 4, equal to 4, 5 tan beta is equal to 4, it means your tan beta is equal to 4 by 5. Then what is the value of 5 sin beta minus 2 cos beta over 5 sin beta plus 2 cos? So what is the method to check to find the value of this, student? You just divide numerator and denominator with sin beta. Okay, sorry, not beta, with cos beta. When we divide numerator and denominator with cos beta, becomes 5 sin beta over cos beta minus 2 cos beta over cos beta over 5 sin beta over cos beta plus 2 cos beta over cos beta. So this is cancel out. So this is cancel out. This is also cancel out. Sin over cos becomes tan beta. So this is 5 tan beta minus 2 over 5 tan beta plus 2. Now tan beta is given, that is 4 by 5. So put here. So 5 into 4 by 5 minus 2 over 5 into 4 by 5 plus 2. So this 5 and 5 is cancel out. This 5 is and 5 is cancel out. So what is left? 4 minus 2 over 4 plus 2. So 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. So option A is the correct option. Option A is the correct option. This is again very important question, right? So last question, students. Statement A assertion: if product of two numbers is 5780 and their HCF is 17, then LCM is 340. Statement reason are: HCF is always a factor of LCM. So options are both assertion and reason are true, and reason R is the correct explanation of assertion A. B option is both assertion and reason are true, and reason R is not the correct explanation of assertion A. Third option is assertion A is true but reason R is false. Option D is assertion is false but R is true. So first of all, check the statements. In assertion, it is written that if product of two number is 5780 and HCF is given, that is 17, then they said LCM is 340. So let us check. We know that product of two numbers is always equal to HCF into LCM, right? We know product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. So number is 5780 and HCF is 17, right? HCF is 17 and LCM is, they said, 340. So if we check, if we multiply 17 with 340, let us check, the answer should be 5780. So let us check. So 340 into 17. So 7 4s are 28, 7 3s are 21 plus 2, 33 into 34. So 875. So 5780, yes, the correct. A is true statement. A is true. Now statement R reason: HCF is always a factor of LCM. Is this true or false? Actually, option B is also correct, that HCF is always a factor of LCM. But see students, there is no relation between A and R. There is no relation between A and R. So both statements are correct. Both assertion and reason are true, and R is the correct explanation of A? No, because there is no relation between A and. So option B is the correct option. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So option B is the correct option of 19. I hope all the questions are clear to everyone, right? So thanks students, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel SG Classes Moga. And for PDF students, PDF of this video, for PDFs, join my Telegram channel, that is SG Classes Moga. Thank you students. Thank you very much.